On a bright sunny morning, a rich boy walked to school with his colorful lunchbox. Not far behind, a poor boy walked barefoot, holding his tiny kitten close. At school, the rich boy sat under a tree, enjoying his food, while the poor boy quietly watched, clutching his kitten. Their eyes met, shy yet curious. Seeing the little boy, the rich boy offered half of his sandwich. Surprised, the poor boy's eyes filled with gratitude. Together they shared the meal, their laughter blending with the soft sunlight. As the sun set, they sat side by side, the kitten sleeping beside them. A simple act of kindness had created a bond that would last forever.
Please subscribe.